Hi, this is Ramya. I'm going to explain dynamic routing. RP RPV1. This is about RPV. We have given three routers and three switches and six PCs. And here also routing table. This is the routing table of this router. And now I'm going to show this PC IP address. This is the IP configuration of this PC, and now I'm going to show message passing from this PC to this PC. Successfully. Thank you. And now I'm going to show RPV2. Here I have given three routers and three switches and six PCs. And now I'm going to show IP address of this PC. IP configurations of this PC and routing table. This is the table of this router. And message passing from this PC to this PC.